Hey Zagger fam, how are you? I hope you are well. So, Palm Sunday's coming up, and actually, the entire Holy Week is fast approaching. And I'm here palm rolling my hair in preparation for the week ahead, and kind of just reflecting on the part of Jesus' story and the gospel that just quietly changes everything. And it's not the part we usually focus on during Holy Week or Easter. We talk about the cross, we talk about centering the resurrection, but what about the actual ascension? If you notice, it's almost like it just kind of passes by, at least in most cases, when we think about Easter and Holy Week. So I've been reading, and one of the books that kind of touches on this is a book called Where is Jesus Now by David Pawson. And it really made me pause because there's actually less written about the Ascension in the New Testament than almost any other major moment in Jesus' time on earth. And yet, it's the moment that explains where he is right now. And when I saw this book, I was very interested because I think that the Ascension should be talked about this year, 2026, the way that we comprehend and talk to and have a relationship with Jesus is slightly different than how we would if we were with him 2,000 plus years ago. So it really helps us understand where he is right now. The experience of Jesus now is the one who ascended. He is seated in authority. He is reigning. And I think the part of why it's easy to overlook is because it's quieter. The Ascension was a quiet moment. There was no raging crowd. It was not the events that happened at the cross. And it wasn't the empty tomb moment that was in itself so marvelous. It was just Jesus ascending and the disciples watching. And somehow that quiet moment is the one that shifts everything about how we relate and experience him today. The Ascension should remind us that he didn't stay in the way people expected. And I think that connects the dots for us who experience him in this time. So it's important to realize that now our relationship with him isn't based on physically seeing him, but trusting him. Trusting that he is present, that he is leading, and that he is still working.